How to avoid extra fees on Uber Eats. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're revealing how to avoid extra fees on Uber Eats so you can enjoy your food without the surprise charges. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, let's start with the tip number one. That is to choose pickup instead of delivery. So here, while you are ordering from the Uber Eats, you can change your delivery to the pickup options, and this instantly removes the delivery fees, and you will often avoid service charges too. Here you just have to tap on the top button that says pickup, and that's it. Now here, with that, moving forward to the tip number two, that is to avoid small order fees. So here Uber Eats charges a small order fee, usually around $2. So here, if your subtotal is under a certain amount like $10 or $12, you just have to add one more item to reach the minimum and avoid that fee. Sometimes a drink or side is all it takes, and it's better than paying the fee for nothing. And with that, moving forward to the tip number three, that is to order from nearby restaurants. So here, ordering from the closer restaurants can reduce both the delivery fee and the wait time. So here, you can simply use the filters to sort by the distance and check the delivery fee next to each restaurant name. And with that, moving forward to the tip number four, that is to use promotion and discounts. So here you just don't skip the promotion and section of discounts because Uber Eats regularly offers discounts like $5 off orders over $15 or free delivery from feature restaurant. So here you need to check your email or notification professional offers because they often expire fast. And with that, moving forward to the tip number five, that is group orders with friends. So here you can use the group order feature to share delivery fees with friends or family. And one order, one delivery free, everyone adds what they want. You can invite orders via link, and after that, everyone pays for their own items. And that's it. That's how you can avoid those sneaky extra fees on Uber Eats and save money every time you order. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.